Welcome to Tech Savvy, your go-to channel for the latest and greatest in technology reviews. Today, we're diving deep into the Lenovo ThinkPad E16 business laptop, a machine that's set to redefine your work experience. Whether you're crunching numbers, designing graphics, or managing multiple projects, this powerhouse is built to handle it all. Stay tuned as we explore its impressive specs, standout features, and why it might just be the perfect laptop for you. Hi everyone, I'm Alex. And today we're going to take a closer look at the Lenovo ThinkPad E16 business laptop. This laptop is packed with features designed to make your work life easier and more productive. Let's jump right in. The Lenovo ThinkPad E16 comes with a stunning 16-inch WUXGA display, offering crisp and clear visuals that make every detail pop. Whether you're working on spreadsheets, video calls, or creative projects, the display provides a bright and vivid experience. Under the hood, the ThinkPad E16 is powered by an AMD Ryzen 5 7530U processor, which outperforms the Intel i7-1165G7 in many benchmarks. This ensures you have the power and speed to handle intensive applications and multitask seamlessly. With 24 GB of RAM, you can run multiple applications at once without any lag. The 512 GB PCIe SSD provides fast boot times and ample storage for all your files and applications. This combination of memory and storage makes the ThinkPad E16 ideal for business professionals who need reliability and performance. Connectivity is key in any business laptop, and the ThinkPad E16 doesn't disappoint. It includes a variety of ports, such as HDMI for external displays, RJ45 for wired internet, and multiple USB ports for your peripherals. The addition of Wi-Fi 6 ensures you get the fastest wireless internet speeds available. Security is a top priority for Lenovo, and the ThinkPad E16 includes several features to keep your data safe. The fingerprint reader provides an extra layer of security, allowing you to log in quickly and securely. Plus, the built-in webcam with a privacy shutter ensures your video calls are secure and private. Running on Windows 11 Pro, the ThinkPad E16 offers a modern and intuitive interface that's perfect for business use. You'll have access to all the latest features and updates from Microsoft, ensuring your laptop is always up to date and secure. So, there you have it. The Lenovo ThinkPad E16 business laptop. With its powerful AMD Ryzen 5 processor, ample RAM and storage, robust security features, and sleek design, it's a fantastic choice for any professional. If you're in the market for a new business laptop, the ThinkPad E16 should definitely be on your radar. Thanks for watching our review of the Lenovo ThinkPad E16 business laptop. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and tips. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Let us know in the comments what you think about the ThinkPad E16, and if you have any questions, we'll be happy to answer them. See you next time on Tech Savvy.